Hello guys, meet again. This time I will show you a website that provides the best AI tools for photo face swap and with the cleanest results. Actually, there are many AI tools available on this website, such as video face swap, AI portrait, AI image upscaler, video enhancer, and many other AI tools. Let's go straight to the website. First of all, open your browser and go to remaker.ai. Once open, select the Photo Face Swap menu. Here you will get several options. First, use the tool without logging in. If you don't log in, you will only get 3 chances to use this tools. The second option is to use a registered account or log in. If you use this option, you will get 30 chances and 5 free chances every day to use this tool. In other words, the chances you use here are credits. Log in, you can use 2 methods, namely logging in using a Google account and WeChat. This time, I use a Google account as a way to log in. Here you will be shown 2 options. The left side is for the photo whose face you want to change, and the right side is for the face you want to use. Okay, let's try one photo that I have prepared. Wow, unexpected results. Let's try again using a 3D cartoon photo. Is it still possible? Let's see the results. Very cool. Now let's try using the pencil drawing that I have made. Will it turn into a pencil drawing too, or will it still be a realistic photo? Let's see the results. Amazing! Now we try the tool for multiple face swap. Still like before, we use the photo that I have prepared. Okay, 3 faces are detected immediately. Let's just make all 3 using the same face. Let's see the results. This is very surprising. Okay, as you can see, the results of the tools in this remaker.ai are quite good and smooth. What's even more amazing about this website is that there is no decrease in resolution in the photos we use. Okay, that was a little information about the AI website that provides face swap photo tools. Hopefully it can help those of you who really need it or who are just messing around. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.